Welcome. If you're facing connecting problems with Instagram on your PC, don't worry. We've got some troubleshooting tips to help you out. Let's dive into the steps to fix Instagram connecting issues. First, try refreshing the Instagram web page. A simple refresh can often resolve temporary connectivity issues and get your Instagram page back up and running smoothly. Next, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. To do this, visit your browser's support website for detailed instructions on how to clear the cache and cookies. This can help improve browser performance and potentially resolve any connection problems you're experiencing on Instagram. If refreshing and clearing cache doesn't solve the problem, try logging out of Instagram desktop and then logging back in. This quick action can sometimes reset the connection and address any underlying issues. If the problem persists, a device restart may be the solution. Turn off your device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. This can refresh your device's network settings and potentially fix the Instagram connecting problem. In certain scenarios, such as using office or university campus Wi-Fi, connection issues may arise. To troubleshoot this, try connecting to a different network, or switch to using mobile data to see if the problem is related to the specific network you're connected to. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can potentially resolve Instagram connecting problems on your PC and resume your Instagram browsing seamlessly. Remember, these simple fixes are often effective in addressing connectivity issues. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope these tips have been useful in guiding you on how to fix Instagram connecting problems on your PC. Stay connected and keep sharing your moments on Instagram.